Today we are looking at a 2010 Okuma VTM-120YB 5-axis CNC vertical turning center. Please disregard the yellow boxes throughout this video as they are covering company-specific fixtures. This machine was new in 2010 and comes equipped with an Okuma OSP P200L CNC control, 60-station automatic tool changer, as well as 1000 PSI high-pressure coolant. This machine takes Cat 50 tooling. Let's tune in and listen to it run.
This is it, Tom?
This one is the same as that one, as far as the chucks and stuff, and then your bill spindle's $5,000 also.
Okay.
Change the screw there. There you go, SB.
Gotcha. Thank you. Okay. Great. Thank you.
Been a while since I messed with this one.
The table diameter is 49.21 inches. Maximum swing diameter is 59.06 inches. Maximum machining diameter is 47.24 inches, and maximum turning height is 39.37 inches. X-axis travel is 50 inches, Y-axis travel is 39.37 inches, Z-axis travel is 44.69 inches, and the C-axis is 001 degrees. There we just saw a tool change, and as always, if this machine is of interest to you, please contact Bid Specialist today at the phone numbers and website listed on the screen. Thank you for tuning in.